Welcome to Regal Classes. My name is Sanjay Mishra. This video is for Class 10 Maharashtra board students, English medium, who are going to appear for exam in year 21. This video is subject is maths, algebra, and we are going to cover solution of linear equations in two variables, which is practice set number 1.1. I request you to subscribe so that you can get notification for all our videos which we are going to upload covering the whole syllabus. So for reference you have Maharashtra SSC board textbook, English medium, mathematics. The first activity, ax plus byc is equal to 0 is a general form of linear equation in two variables. We have two variables x and y. They are linear because power of x is 1, power of y is 1. And therefore it's a linear variable. Now let us look at various examples here. 4m plus 3n is equal to 12. It is a linear variable because power of m and n both are equal to 1 each. 3x square minus 7y is equal to 13 is not because power of x is 2, not 1. Root x minus root 5 y is equal to 16. It is a linear equation. Two variables because power of x and power of y both are 1. Coefficients may be root, but power of x is a linear variable. 0x plus 6y minus 3 is equal to 0. No, it is a single variable in y. 0.3 plus 0y minus 36 is not equation of two variables. It is single variable in x. 4 upon x plus 5 by y is equal to 4 is not a linear equation because power of x in both cases, x and y, is minus 1. 4xy minus 5y minus 8 is also not a linear equation because power of variables in the first term is equal to 2. So general form of linear equations is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1, a2x plus b2y is equal to c2, where a1, b1, a2, b2, c1, c2 are real numbers. The two equations, if you see the ratios, you can figure out what is the type of equation it is. If a1 by a2 is equal to c1, b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then there are infinite solutions. And in terms of lines, both are collinear lines, and therefore they can have number of solutions for x and y, which is number of solutions equal to infinity. Now a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. Then the two equations are not consistent and therefore there is no solution. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 and not equal to c1 by c2, then there is a unique solution for these two equations. Now we go to practice set 1.1. Yes, you can see the activity which is completed here. You can note down all this and practice it again. A very simple solution. Let us look at the first problem of part of second A. For part of 2, says solve the following simultaneous equations. So it's 3a plus 5b is equal to 26 and a plus 5b is equal to 22. So first we check the consistency and we find that unique solution exists for the two equations because a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, not equal to c1 by c2. So these two equations, 3a plus 5b 26, a plus 5b is 22. In this case, coefficient of b in first equation is 5 and also in second equation it is 5. So subtracting the two equations, that is subtracting 2 from first, we get 2a is equal to 4. A is 4 by 2, so a is equal to 2. Place a is equal to 2 in equation 1 and you get b is equal to 4. Better to verify whether our solution is right, so place a and b in equation 2 because we have already used equation 1 to calculate b in this case. So therefore We place a, b in equation 2 to check, and we find that left hand side is equal to right hand side, so our solution is right. This is a very similar equation. In this case, coefficient y, coefficient of y is 7 in the first equation, minus 2 in the second equation. So multiply equation 1 by 2 and multiply equation 2 by 7. And you get the solution. X is 3. You can go through the solution. Here x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. Verification, put the values in equation 2 and you see 3 into 3 minus 2 into 1 is 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. You can pause the video at any problem, go through the problem again, solve the problem in your notebook, practice again and again. Maybe same problem, try 2-3 times, practice, so you cannot go wrong in your examination and you can score 100 out of 100 in maths. Whatever, 80 out of 80, 40 out of 40, whatever, you can score full marks in mathematics if you practice a lot. Now here I have used two methods. One is method of elimination, which is this particular one, and also method of substitution in the next slide. So here you can go through using method of elimination where coefficient of x is 2 in the first equation. Second equation is also 2, so you subtract equation 2 from 1 and you can get the solution. Fairly easy. Get y is equal to 1, put y is equal to 1 in equation 1. 2x minus 3 into 1 is equal to 9. 2x is equal to 9 plus 3. 12. 12 by 2 is equal to 6. Verify the solution by putting 6 and 1 in equation 2. Now here it is by method of substitution. The same problem by method of substitution. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. 2x plus y is equal to 13. So we write the second equation y in terms of x. Replace y in terms of x in equation 1. So you get 2x minus 3 into 13 minus 2x is equal to 9. 2x minus 39 plus 6x, expanding the bracket, equal to 9. So 8x is equal to 39 goes on the other side, becomes positive. 39 plus 9 is 48. 8x is equal to 48. X is equal to 48 by 6. 8 equal to and is equal to 6. Place x is equal to 6 in equation 1 and you can get the solution. Answer of xy is 6, 1. This problem you can go through one by one, each step one by one, step by step. Don't jump steps, so you'll never go wrong. Write each and every step clearly and you will not make any mistake if you write every step. This equation again, similarly, process of elimination, method of elimination. Now you can take this as a homework, solve using method of substitution. Try and see whether you get the same answer. So this has got some fractions involved in the equation. Coefficients are all in fractions. So first simplify the equation. Now first equation you can simplify by multiplying by 3 and second equation you can simplify by multiplying by 8. So the first equation becomes x plus 3y is equal to 10. Now you must see this carefully, look at it carefully, otherwise you may tend to make mistake. So check every term whether it is right. Now multiply equation 2 by 4. So 4 into 2x is 8x plus y is equal to 11. After this, solution is simple. You can use method of elimination and get the results. In the exam, you can use any method. You can use method of determinants, method of elimination, method of substitution to solve this equation. Solve the following simultaneous equations. Here you can see the coefficients of x and y are large numbers. So don't try to attempt and cross multiply or eliminate. Try to eliminate x or y. It will become very tedious. You will waste a lot of time. So the trick here is you just add the two equations. And you can see it becomes 200x plus 200y is equal. How to check this is you can see the symmetry. 99 is the coefficient of x in first equation, 99 is the coefficient of y in the second equation. Same way 101 is the coefficient of y in the first equation, 101 is the coefficient of x in the. So there is a symmetry. And you can just add the two equations, divide by 200 and you can get x plus y equal to 5. Similarly, subtract the two equations and you can get x minus y. Very simple then. To solve, add the two equations 3 and 4 and you get x is equal to 2x is equal to 6. Write every step. X is equal to 6 by 3, x is equal to 3. Same way, place x is equal to 3 in equation 3. Write every step here, don't jump to conclusion. 3 plus y is equal to 5, y is equal to 5 minus 3 and is equal to, that is equal to 2. Here there is a mistake in the second line. This line you cancel. Assume this line is cancelled. This has come out from some other previous problem. So our next video lecture will be on graphical method of solving two linear equations.